honestly, some girlies are just going to Dreamland just to embarrass us as girls. Uyanjani eDreamland uphachile? Sexy girls are up, Kesana. Beautiful, scrumptious, yummy girls are up and running, Kesana. Hey guys, welcome to a new video, you guys. Guys, I am so excited, Kesana. Guys, this video is inspired by being you. Being the girl that you think you are, guys. Guys, let us embrace our bodies. Guys, we are beautiful, we are sexy, we are scrumptious, we are intelligent, we are everything that any other person would like to have, okay? And we do not need any validation from anyone, Kesana. Guys, I feel so beautiful. Guys, and feel sexy, man. Feel sexy, guys. I am so super excited, guys. At this point, I don't even have anything going on in my life, but guys, I am having me going on, Kesana. Anyway, guys, before we get into today's matter, can you please like, comment, and share this video, guys? While I am still waiting for you to do all of that, let us embrace my beauty. Let us look at my beauty, guys. How is my weave? How is my weave, guys? It's one of my collections, guys. Look at me, guys. Look at me, Kesana. Yo, guys, and semhle. And semhle sana ndenza uchuku, and semhle ndenza umunyu. Anyway, guys, today's video, it is about winter night routine, guys, my collection. So guys, I just bathed and then I feel so fresh, so yummy, so delicious, so gorgeous, and I'm like, you know what, let me share with my babes, Kesana, uba ndiba njani xa ndilala, ndisebenza which products mandizolala sana, ugqiba kwam ukuhlamba, which products do I use. So guys, without wasting any of your time, let's dive right into the video. Okay guys, let us start with the important part, the face, guys, windscreen. So for my face, guys, I go in with this even tone micellar water, guys. It is very good in removing your makeup and also the skin impurities, which is where emnandi ngena khona, because sendiyihlambile makeup, so I am needing this for skin impurities, ne? And then after this, I also go in with this one, ne, guys, the Clear Up. This one, it is the vitamin oil, guys, this one from Nivea. So I also use this, guys. Remember, it is cold, it is winter, so you really need something that is gonna warm you up. And then after, I go in with my gloss, my lip gloss. This is my lip gloss, guys. Umlomo mawungaphathi, guys, kwi-dreams. Mawungaphathi, into zakho zizophatsha kwi-dreams. Uzothi noba uzowina ilotho kufika uphachile quma makhlulwe. So iplug ke sana mawungaphathi kwi-dreams. And then for my body, I go in with this roll on from Yardley, gorgeous ke sana, guys. The smell here, the smell, it smells so nice and fresh ke sana, classy. You will smell like a boss baby. As maphupheni sana in your dreams, guys. We take dreams very seriously in this house, guys. So another pop about this, it stays for 48 hours, guys. Ayikushiye ebendini, guys. Ningabi neebhedi ezinuka iqhapots. This is iplug ke sana. Then I go in with this tissue oil ke sana yakwa Also Heavenly, guys. This oil, guys, abayaziyo, they will testify down below ukuthi this is the thickest. It's very thick, guys, i-oil yakhona, which warms you ke sana, because it's winter. Asidlali la, it's winter, guys. Kuwo wonke ama-oils esendiwabonile, this thus far is the thickest ke sana, and also it gives your body a glow ke sana. So choosing this one, you won't go wrong, especially if you are someone who is cold-blooded. You want to warm up at night. So this one, it is the plug, guys. But the smell, guys, and this is a but I do have a plan for the smell as well for this one. And then, guys, I go in with this one after the oil, which is also from Also Heavenly, guys. The smell here, guys. Yo, guys, it is $1 million. This one is the Silky Smooth body lotion. Another thing about this, guys, mna ndithanda izinto ezilastayo ne. Andifuna into ezingathi le mijolo yethu, ndifuna into elastayo. This stays for 48 hours, guys. It means kuyode kuse sana unuka into emnandi qha. If unobhe sana ubabazi, hayi sana uzokuthi nca because kaloku ivumbi liphuma apha sana, it's so pleasing. So this is a go-to for us ke sana, which will compensate for that smell ebendithetha ngaso salapha. So when these two are combined, guys, you will smell like you have moolah. You will smell like $1 million. So guys, I use this mainly because it is silky, it is smooth, it makes your body to be very soft. Njengempunduzo sana, very, very soft. So yeah, guys. And then, guys, smelling good is a must. As compromise, you must smell good at all times. Because guys, we take sleeping very seriously in this house. Ubuthongo subuthatha very, very, very serious. Mabathi noba izinyanya zakho ziyagqitha sana zive ngesmell sakho ba this one is ours. This one is ours sana baze kuwe. Unganuki iqhabhotsi, guys, emaphupheni. Dala ndithetha lento yeqhabhotsi, dala ndithetha lento yabantu abanuka iqhabhotsi emaphupheni. Guys, you can't compromise. So you will also go in with this Vanilla Carnival body mist for hair. Vanilla Carnival body mist for hair, guys. Uthi nje fa sana ube uzazi sana ba uyo-entarisha amaphupha wakho. Guys, how do you expect to dream about millions? How do you expect to dream about a calm environment when you go there ngathi uyolwa? Njengoba usiya emadreamsini wakho ngathi uye emfazweni. No, guys, let us be better, babes. Let us be better nje kulo nyaka. Then, guys, lastly but not least, uphinde sana uzithi esasimele sinuka kamnandi. Fa nje kancinci ungayibaqi mntase. It's also sexy from Identity. This one I bought it from Identity. Guys, sisebenza within budget la. Sisebenza within budget, but we're still smelling good, we're still cute, we're still sexy, we're still gorgeous, we're still proud of ourselves. Guys, let us do self-care. Let us prioritize ourselves. Sime kancinci ngomjolo namadoda, guys, ngoba awasifuni. Sizitayekisile nje qha. Fa. Guys, into enzima apha. Oh, guys, jongani ibump sana. Jongani ibump kwinwele zami. Jongani, guys, jongani, guys. Guys, what is this, guys? What is this, guys? Yo, guys. Anyway, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. I will see you on the next one, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share till we see each other on the next one. Love you loads, Sana. With God's love never fails. Bye.